Autumn Charm Haul. Maple leaves. Gold-plated leaves. So beautiful. Gold-plated bows. Ghost charms. Spooky. Fluorescent ghosts. Why are they so sad? Sad face. Gold-plated pumpkins. Can't wait to make jewelry with these. More pumpkin. Golden cats and moons. Oh my gosh! Who wants earrings made with these? Black and white cats. So lovely. Forest mushrooms. Enchanting. Evil eye heart charms. Roller skate charms. Look at those colors. Ceramic flower beads. Millefiori glass beads. How delicate! Cat eye beads. Mermaid beads. Gold-plated earring hoops. Oops. Gold-plated textured hoops. So shiny. Thank you for watching. Let me know which one is your favorite. Follow for more.